him with the blood clot. Yo, listen me man, this not gonna
Pouring girl, pouring girl.
This not gonna
Pouring
You
girl.
can't just pour it, sir.
Pouring girl.
Don't look away.
She can't skip. Girl, you are the rough. You love it when you back. Yeah, you are the rough. You are the rough.
You want to see how me I look down the side, you're too fast. You have 10,000 USB in my studio.
I spin to me, but you are body brother.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, this is Jam One Media TV, the Leader TV. Please like, share and subscribe. And boy, me I tell you, so the topic today is a normal topic. You see me I say, Mobile, them say at it again. New shipment of guns just arrived, the man them a keep party for the guns them. You see me I say, the man them say a real bad man party, real gun party to celebrate the shipment of Jack down there. I don't really confirm the story, but a friend of mine sent me the video and tell me say it's a Mobile link thing, you know what I mean? The man them a keep a party on the guns, and too much guns man look on the gun them and you have everything right there, so. You know what I mean? You have a tall thing them, you have a short thing them, you know what I mean? Everything have teeth. Look on the clip them all them big man could have. You have M16, you have AK, you have Glock 40. You understand me I say? You have all type of rifles. Everything you man them having a party. You see me I say? You man them say a crazy thing man when the road touch man. I tell them man, check it out viewers. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you identify any of the people them in the video. If you can confirm say a Mobile thing, you know what I mean? Because the man them say a down a Mobile man. Same place down there man. A crazy thing man. Shipment finally reached them say man, me I tell you. Look at it my friend. You know what I mean? And nothing normal when the man them touch road. You know? Zozo in a problem you know. Police them have to go look out. You know what I mean? Our day the man them run in from Gozo man them, you know what I mean? A better thing them man they have to see him way. You know what I mean? A crazy thing man. Just check it out my people. Check it out my people. Tell me if a Mobile thing it is or elsewhere. You see me I say because it wasn't confirmed. But they look like a Mobile youth them, you know what I mean? Big man thing, I want to be a man. Yeah man, the man them said dirt man when the thing open up man, me I tell you say not even COVID can't stop the movement man. Them say Chinese them take over the wharf man and the thing them still a come through, you see? Them say a crazy thing man. Check it out. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.